Hi, Namaskar. My name is Arvind Mishra. I'm a sales success coach and I also head the sales academy for इसको ऐसी है। एक बात आपको बताते हैं, गलत फहमी, misconception है sales के बारे में। And the misconception is sales is only a prerogative of people who are working in the sales department. तो selling skills या selling capabilities enhance करना उन्हीं के लिए जरूरी है जो sales department में काम करते हैं। Just pause and observe. You'll find sales is happening everywhere. Each and every professional is trying to sell himself, at times a product, a concept, or sometimes he sells himself. Now, since we understand that sales is which is required by everyone, let me ask you a question. Do you want to enhance your sales capability? I think most of you will say, yes, I want to do that. Now, problem is, कैसे करें? कहाँ लोग मिलेंगे? So if you can get the clarity, I think you would like to enhance your capabilities as a sales person. और अगर sales person को अपनी capabilities को enhance करना है, तो उसको जिसके पास जाना होगा, they should have three things. Number one, those people should be experienced. Number two, उनके methods होंगे, they should be impactful. And number three, impactful results भी तो होंगे. जब तक मेथड आपको रिजल्ट ना दे, ऐसे मेथड्स किसी काम के नहीं है. So let's talk about the experience. So we at Scars Equal, we have got people whose total experience is more than 250 years. Yes, I said it right. 250 years. Not only that, the people who are here as consultants or as trainers, they have worked at every sphere or every stage of sales. That is starting from a sales officer or a sales executive to the level of the sales head. So sales के किसी भी designation पे जितने भी challenges आते हैं, they are well versed with all of them. And last but not the least, they have worked in all across the industries, whether it's FMCG, telecom, pharma, NBFC, then list is endless. You name an industry, and we will find one of the representatives of us who have worked there. Right? So this was about experience. Let's talk about the methods. The methods we use are implementable. ऐसे मेथड जो implementable नहीं उसको यूज करने का कोई फायदा नहीं होता, क्योंकि बोर्ड रूम के अंदर तो हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, लेकिन एग्जीक्यूट नहीं कर पाते, किसी काम पे नहीं, राइट? सो द मेथड्स व्हिच वी टॉक अबाउट आर implementable, and not only implementable, they are easy to use. आसानी से सीख भी सकते हैं, आसानी से उसको implement भी कर सकते हैं. And last but not the least, they are measurable as well. कितनी progress हुई, कितना हम आगे बढ़े, कितना सीखा, everything can be done. Now let's talk about the third thing. The third thing is whether they have given the results or not. So let me tell you, as far as the results is concerned, we have trained more than 1 lakh people till now. Let me tell you about the results. 83% of the participants, they have enhanced their market reach. 90% of the people are feeling more confident to close the deals now. And 82% of the people are able to find greater success in sales, or you can say they have enhanced their overall result. And last but not the least, all these people who tell you about how to do or how to enhance your selling skills, they tell all those things जो उन्होंने खुद मार्केट में पहले अप्लाई की हैं. They have already implemented those things, right? If you are looking for an academy, or if you are looking for people who can help you to enhance your selling skills, you are at the right place, because you have got those people who are experienced, who use the right methods, and also impact the results. That is the bottom line. So my dear friends, you are all welcome to join us, and let's go to a journey all together in which we'll explore possibilities of enhancing our sales capabilities. Thank you and namaskar.